You already know that our channel is all about content creation with AI and make money online. In this video, your AI Maskman bought a new niche that can make you $10,000 a month easily if done correctly and followed all steps as mentioned in this video.
What?
Yes, you heard it right. Who don't like to replace their full-time job and make extra income with the help of AI and scale it to $10,000 a month? Let me show in detail as to how it's done along with a few real-life channels, which you can view as an inspiration on your journey. Take a look at this channel and I can assure you that they are making a lot more than $10,000 a month already. I know if I teach you all the steps, you can do it too, and that's what I've been doing on this YouTube channel. So grab a cup of coffee and let me know everything I know to help you reach your goals faster. First of all, let me show a glimpse of the video that I have created so that you will have an idea.
I remember the first time I stepped into Hollowbrook College. It had a reputation for being haunted, but I laughed it off as just another spooky campus legend. Little did I know, I was about to experience something that would send shivers down my spine.
Rest assured, I will show everything in detail on content creation of this niche. Let's get started. Our first step is creating a script for our video. For this, open ChatGPT and ask, "Hey ChatGPT, I'm going to create a new YouTube channel on horror stories. So for this, could you write me an original, scary and interesting 300 words horror story of the college? And make sure to write it in simple English and write it like someone is telling this story from his own perspective. The story should be believable and shocking." Or you can also get so many real horror stories from the Reddit website. So choose one of them and write it in the proper way, or ask ChatGPT to make some necessary changes in it. So, our first step is completed now. We need images and footage for the video. For this, again, ask ChatGPT. Now I want to generate images for each scene for the above story. So could you please give me an image generation prompt for each scene? Write at least 15 image generation prompts for the above story. And as a result, ChatGPT gives us 15 prompts to generate an image. Wait, please stop. Did you know we have some amazing prompts that we can offer free of cost who comment on our videos? If you want to enhance your script writing with using some cool prompts, drop a comment and I will reply you with a unique prompt. Or if you know any questions, you can mention it too. Now to generate images, I will use a free image generation tool called Leonardo AI. Create an account and click on Image Generation. Choose the number of images, dimension, and 16:9 ratio. Then copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. And click on Generate. By this way, one by one, generate all the images from Leonardo. Or if you don't get accurate results for your image, try to add different words in your prompt to get an accurate image which matches your story. Alright, now let's move to the next step. Step 3. Generating voiceover. If you have good voice, and do the voiceover yourself. So simply just read the script and generate the voiceover. But if your voice isn't great, you can use Elevenlabs for this. And don't worry about monetization. AI voices are 100% monetizable. So for this, I will use Elevenlabs. Now you have to select the voice. You can select from here or go to the voice library and choose the perfect voice for your video. We have committed the golden rule to memory. Let us now commit it to life.
Everyone thinks of changing the world, but no one thinks.
The biggest room in the world is room for improvement.
We have committed the golden rule to memory. I will go for this one. Let's add it into our voice library. Now copy the script from the ChatGPT and paste it here.
I remember the first time I stepped into Hollowbrook College. It had a reputation for being haunted, but I laughed.
It's perfect. Let's download this. Stop! Did you know that we don't sell any product or share any affiliate links on our video to get more income? Therefore, in exchange of our valuable information, we ask you to subscribe and hit a like button for us. Now let's move to the next step of editing. For this, first of all, I use Canva for this, and then I will use CapCut to give final touch to the video. Now open the Canva and click on the video icon from the dashboard. Then click on Upload and upload all the images and voiceover. Now add the voiceover track into the timeline. and set all the images as per the voiceover. Or you can also get so many images and video from the Canva. Click on Elements, type horror or anything which you want to add. And here you will find so many images and video which you can use in your video. Or if you are using a free account, go to the filters and choose the free option. And then here you will get images and videos which you can use for free. Or still, if you don't find perfect images for video, open Pixels and Pixabay for free stock images and videos. So download from this and add it in your video. Alright, now let's add the title of the story at the beginning of the video. For this, click on Design and type Horror, and here you will get so many ready-made intro videos which you use. Now let's add background music to our video, because without background music, your videos can feel quite boring without background music. So for this, open YouTube audio library and choose suitable music for your video. Then download it. Or you can also take from YouTube, but make sure it's a copyright-free music. Now add it into your video, and then download the video from Canva. Now it's time to give final touch to our video for this open CapCut. Import your video. Then to create captions, click on text and choose auto caption. Then choose the language and hit generate. After that, choose fonts, colors, add background in it. Make it simple and attractive. Then choose animation from these available options. I will go for this. Alright, now select the video and click right, and then choose split option from here. And then the video will be automatically splitted scene by scene, so you can easily add transitions and effects between them. Try to apply effects and filters in each image. Choose the dark option in the filters. And here you will find many amazing filters which you can use in your horror video. And then when you are done with editing, click on export and download this. Now let's have a look to our video.
I remember the first time I stepped into Hollowbrook College. It had a reputation for being haunted, but I laughed it off as just another spooky campus legend. Little did I know, I was about to experience something that would send shivers down my spine. One night, my friends and I decided to explore the abandoned east wing of the college. As we entered the dimly lit corridor, a chilling breeze brushed against our faces, making us uneasy. The air was thick with an ominous silence, broken only by the creaking of the floorboards beneath our hesitant steps. We reached an old classroom with peeling paint and decaying desks. The air grew colder, and an unsettling feeling settled in the pit of my stomach. That's when we heard faint whispers, like distant echoes of tormented souls. I thought it was just my imagination playing tricks on me, but my friends were pale, confirming they heard it too.
So guys, by this way you can create multiple video using this AI tool and start earning from YouTube. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorial like this.